prices, but they're £1.99 because I saw on a group yesterday that they only cost £1.99. So we're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna head and get the glasses first, or we can do that a bit later.
I think we should pick them up and receive one, I think.
Yeah, and because I don't know how, well obviously I don't know how many people are going. It's just, it's free for platinum holders, but then other pass holders is £20 per person, so it might be busy or it might be not, but the last few days apparently it's been really, really quiet there, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's quiet.
It's been dead.
Yeah. Like 26 rides yesterday, because it was that quiet. But the weather is completely different today. Like, look at this.
It's still cloudy, isn't it?
It's still cloudy, but yeah, like it's much more different than last week.
Much more dry.
Yeah, because obviously last week was just like a complete washout, but this week it's all sunny, and you know we prefer the sun, don't we? Really.
It's not raining, I'm happy.
Yeah, and I think it's going to be a bit windy, so hopefully they don't call off the fireworks, because they did. Well, I think they were looking at calling the Alton Towers one off, but I think they went off in the end. But obviously the display we went to yesterday, all the ones local to us, was cancelled, weren't they? So then everyone flocked to our firework display.
Yeah.
And obviously it was just heaving, but you guys would have saw, so but yeah, no, it's, you know, so we're just off today. We haven't got anything planned for next week though, although
Got a weekend off, though. I think we're going to try and start some Christmas shopping.
yeah, no, we both get paid, so I think we need to start tackling some Christmas shopping, because I don't want to be one of those last minute shoppers. Not this year.
So
I don't.
Other than Warwick Castle in December, I think that's pretty much it for us now until next year, isn't it?
Yeah, well we are still looking at going to Sea Life Birmingham, aren't we? On our little week off.
Yes.
So we are looking at doing that. We just need to like look at trains and stuff and see what time we want to go, etc. But we'll probably look at that at some point this week, because as I said, we got this week working and then we're off for the following week, obviously because it's Dom's birthday next Monday.
Yeah.
Getting older.
Getting old, I'm already old.
As Grandad said yesterday.
Yeah.
But no, so we are just on our way. I think we're about 23 minutes away. So we should be there we'll be there for opening, but by the time we park the car and got ourselves ready and stuff, it's going to be after 10. But it doesn't matter because we're there like a lot later this week, so
yeah, because the fireworks, we're spending more time obviously after hours, isn't it?
yeah, so I shall catch up with you guys at Legoland, and we're now in Miniland, aren't we?
Well, just arrived. We've been and brought more quenchers,
Well, yeah.
which we've now realised we could have brought our old ones and done it for £6.
Yeah. So we're now
Although that was cheaper this time.
Yeah, that was cheaper this time actually.
It was only
saying
20 quid this time.
Yeah, no, this is true.
Unless it was 20 quid last time, I have to check. We did say.
Yeah, no, we did say, to be fair. But we're now in Miniland. We're now in the bit what we didn't do last week, aren't we?
We're currently in Italy.
Yeah. So this is Italy.
If you saw, yeah, we'll go around this bit. You sort of see it, the Italian village.
It's actually quite busy here.
I mean, I appreciate I said it last week, but I would love to have this as a job.
Yeah.
Where do I sign up for this?
Yeah, like I don't think anyone could get bored of Lego, could they, really?
Well, we've just been in the Lego shop again. We could spend a fortune.
Yeah. There's definitely things I want to get. And look. But that took ages to do. There's my house. A little lonely house.
It's your little house in Italy.
Yeah. This is Dom's house.
What, the smaller one or the bigger one?
The bigger one.
See London Eye up there. Oh, that's better than there. Oh, in Belgium now.
Oh wow.
not a town hall, surely.
Do you know what a bell is?
After seeing the sights of Legoland Town Hall, a lot of tourists have headed for the local bars, possibly to sample premium quality Belgian. That's the town hall, and then there's the pubs.
Oh wow. Can you just imagine getting married in that?
Imagine we're working on the top floor. There's our lorry, look. Wine lorry.
Look at all this job. I really would love to do this as a job. Especially like the Harry Potter sets. Like Legoland, if you're listening, why is there not a Harry Potter section?
Or Simpsons.
Or Simpsons. Or their creator collection with like the roller coasters and the Ferris wheel.
There either, then.
No. And like unless they've discontinued that set, I don't know. But
maybe they don't do them sort of sets here.
yeah, maybe. But then they do the Hogwarts, which is like £350. That's right, £350.
I can only assume that this is for tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, all these speakers.
You might as well shut it. Like, I look stupid now because you're talking about that thing.
All these speakers, it must be for tonight.
I'm assuming it's for the fireworks display.
Yeah. Which I'm really looking forward to seeing. Oh, we're now back in Italy again.
Back in Italy again. And we've only got that one bit of mini down there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We've covered it all then, haven't we? These seem a lot smaller than the bits up there.
Yeah. But the Sky Rider's open today, so I want to go and have a look at that. And go on that, sorry.
I can only assume that this is Holland.
Yeah.
Judging by the colours of the buildings, the
Yeah.
levels of water. And the windmills, obviously. Yeah, there you go, Holland.
Don was right. 10 points to Gryffindor.
The windmills are a bit of a giveaway. The only thing they're missing is clogs and tulips. Very stereotypical, but that's what they're known for.
Oh. You're pretty brainy, Dominic, aren't you?
I just have useless knowledge.
A lot of sense up in that little noggin of yours.
A little bit, not much. Like I said, it'd be great in a pub quiz. Useless at anything else. I'd stick me on catchphrase. Golden.
Yeah, because you'd love to meet Stephen Mulhern.
And I'd do better than Spaghetti Junction. Dinner Road. What was it? I can't remember what she said now.
Bless her. She just got like really nervous, didn't she?
To be fair, I would. She got called up in front of everyone.
Yeah.
It was in Butlins, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was Butlins. I can't remember at though. I want to say it was Weymouth.
But yeah, she got called up and it was quite funny, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, bless
I'd
her.
recommend going and watching it.
Yeah.
On her sister's channel, obviously, you explain where it's from.
Yeah, no, it's from.
We're having a conversation, but no one knows what you're on about.
Yeah, it was when they went to. It was Butlins, but I can't remember what year. No, 2000. It must have been 2018.
Possibly.
But yeah, so if you check
It's
out
on
my
there. Check
sister's
their
channel,
Butlins holidays out. I think the cover picture is catchphrase, isn't it?
yeah. So if you check out their channel, the Stevenson Gretsch family, it's on there.
And it's definitely worth a chuckle. Bless her.
I know.
Although she got to meet Stephen Mulhern and got a goodie bag, so
Yeah, so she was
she
actually,
wins. She
yeah.
wins. And if nothing else, she definitely entertained.
Yeah, bless her. Just been on Laser Raiders, just behind me, and I got 4,000.
You did terrible. I got 20,000. I win.
I again, I always lose at these games, and I'm not impressed.
I scored more last week though when I was vlogging it at the same time.
Yes. What did you get last week?
I got like 22,000 last week, and I was holding the camera at the same time.
But
So I don't know how I managed that.
I was not back in Florida on Buzz's Space Ranger Spin.
Well, you beat me a couple of times on there, didn't you?
Yeah, but that's twice now we've run on there, and you have beat me.
We've got all day, we might have to go and do round 3 later.
Yeah, no, we're definitely gonna go and do it later. I don't know where we're heading off now.
We'll head down in through Cart Lake, over through to Mythica.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are gonna head off into Heart Lake City now, so I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Going to Mythica, we went to the Knight's Kingdom, didn't we?
Yeah, we had a look on the app and it was only a 5-minute wait for Dragon.
Yeah, so we
went and thought smash that quick.
Like we absolutely love Dragon. Like we rode it last time we came, didn't we?
Yeah, like we said before, it's not a massive adrenaline ride,
No.
but it's a nice little thrill.
It's such enough. So
Gets the blood
yeah,
pumping.
so it's just over there.
Yeah, in there, the Knight's Kingdom.
So yeah, so I don't know where we're heading now. I think we're heading back over in that direction, aren't we?
Yeah, I mean there's a lot of 5-minute waits.
Yeah, like considering that well, we thought there was quite a lot of people here. The rides walk on, literally walk on.
So far.
Well, yeah, so
We're
far
going to
they
head
are.
over to the Haunted Monster Bash thing, because Monster Party, we didn't do that last time, did we?
No. No, so if you ever come to Legoland, the Dragon is just there, isn't it?
It's in the Knight's Kingdom, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know, we're just going to head back over here now and see where we go. We're now queuing for Deep Sea Adventure, and we've also met my sister. So I didn't know she was coming today, so it's a complete surprise. But yeah, so we are just, there they are, they're all there.
We are now in the Coral Cave.
Hey, recruit! Check out all of the colorful corals around you. Fun fact: coral reefs form the home for hundreds or even thousands of sea creatures, all living together. Reefs are home to 1/4 of all marine life. In fact, corals are sea creatures too, called polyps. They're usually found in these kind of tropical waters.
Our systems are showing us right on track to find Atlantis. We're off to a flying fish start. Descending deeper now. And welcome to the deep sea. Some old Leviathan are out here looking for Atlantis, who lost treasures in the ocean, and spotting super cool sea creatures. The water is full of life and Atlantic treasures. Keep an eye open for lurking sharks. Some like to fly around on the seabed. Oh, I do love sharks. Awesome fact. Sharks have been on the earth longer than dinosaurs.
Don't forget about the cow-nosed stingrays. They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find hidden food.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yay! Yes! Yippee!
For the slight delay to your mission. This is while we assist non-ambulant researchers in the team. We thank you for your patience and we will continue our journey shortly.
call them? I don't know if you get reception down here.
Yes, what's it? It's a big thing. A fishy. A big fish. A bit like that back on your plate, a big fish. Yeah, a big fishy.
Nice fishy man.
Oh.
Get your money's worth out of the ride though, didn't you?
Now, how many and also we got stuck on the Scorpion's Crest as well that day. That's where your eyes been stuck on now.
We're leaving again now, aren't we? There's no something with Tango, you're trying to have something, so oh well. I think it's got a nice feature of having all the wrong stuff.
There's worse places to be stuck, isn't there?
There is actually. There is. Honestly, look, wasn't there sharks there? And then that's okay. Well, I've never been again now. Slowly. Okay, see. See, stingray?
I think it's already on your map, just a bit.
Yeah.
Or like WhatsApp stuff as well.
What's the point of some of the little big fish that eat the little fish? Brilliant, that. That's a little shark. It's close. Oh yeah. That's not close. I don't think actually really.
Whoa! That was amazing!
Did you spot our divers out there working hard
what did
on
you think?
protecting all the sea life in the deep sea?
It's good little ride.
Awesome job, team!
Because we got stuck, we got to stand here a bit longer, didn't we?
And like a bit of storage of
Treasures of the
time.
deep sea.
Storage is full apparently.
Yeah.
It's time to hit Becca.
No.
A deep sea adventure now, and we've come into like this little sea life bit. All the lovely fish. There's Dory.
Look at the little baby clownfish. Really tiny. Can remember the last time we came out of here, it was absolutely bucking it down last week. Well, it wasn't when we first come off, was it? When we got outside.
Yeah, I love deep sea adventure.
That's good, isn't it?
It's such a good little ride. Like a little Lego man.
This time the sun's shining.
Yeah. Go and that's deep sea adventure. I did manage to watch some of it, and then after that I had to delete storage off my iPhone.
Yeah.
See, that's the submarine, just with the Lego. I said it's not overly that busy today either.
The crowd seems to have cleared off.
I might head over to Beastly Bites and get a donut, not gonna lie. Some donuts, you've got the bits and bobs when it's on. Well, the one I had last week.
The one I ordered last week and you ate it.
And then I got the unicorn sprinkles, so I'm gonna see what they're like. So we've just had some lunch. We went to the pizza pasta place, didn't we?
Yeah, I filled up on some pizza.
So like we're really, really full now.
I feel like I'm going to blow.
So we're just waiting for my sister because she's heading down to the Spinning Spiders. So I think we're going to head on that, aren't we? We're going to go on that.
Head on there and have a grand over here.
Although I really want to go on that.
Yeah, I think I need to let lunch set a bit first.
Yeah, no, definitely.
And then we'll maybe go on it.
Yeah, because this is Pirate Shores we're in now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
We did try and go on the haunted house party, but it broke down.
Yeah, no, it did.
So we had to come off.
But we can go back, can't we?
Yeah, we can go to the fast track entrance and say that we're on the 12:30 breakdown.
Yeah.
And apparently they'll let us on quicker. So.
Yeah. Yes, I think that's what we're gonna do. Well, hopefully we don't run out of time. Well, the park is open till 7. It's just rides are closed between 5:30 and 6:30. So it is open till 7. So I'm just going to head up that way now to Spinning Spiders. Well, I can.
You can.
I can. We're just on the Spinning Spiders now. We've got a giant spider above us. What, it was like, what, a 10-minute wait, would you say?
Yeah. No, it wasn't even 10 minutes. What we said it was like 5 if that.
Are you going to spin?
I'm going to spin.
After we've just had lunch?
Yeah. But
disgusting. Just on the fairy tale book ride, the storybook ride. I haven't really filmed much because it's been quite busy. But we've ridden Spinning Spiders and the haunted house. And the haunted house was amazing, wasn't it?
yeah, it was really good. It plays with your brain. It's very confusing.
Yeah. No, because at one point I thought I felt like upside down, but no.
But you probably don't even move that much, but it makes it feel like the room, like you spin around in the room.
Yeah. Yeah. So like it was amazing, absolutely amazing. But like you get like a little bit like motion sickness, don't you?
You do a little bit because you get very disoriented. You don't know which way's up and down.
No. But it's like I highly recommend you guys check it out if you are here. Yeah, it's getting dark now.
It's going to headbutt.
Hush now.
Oh.
You will sleep until you are kissed on the lips by your one true love.
Oh. I don't like the way it's hitting side to side, not gonna lie. But no, so it like the haunted house was amazing. It was so much fun.
Lads, I won't ask you again, stop rocking them boats.
Yeah. Oh, they were causing issue on Monster House the first time.
Was that the same line?
Yeah. Yeah. I know, I do love this ride. I do love like slow moving water rides like this. We're just trying to figure out where's the best place to view the fireworks, aren't we?
Yeah, well, I mean, they reckon Miniland's good.
Yeah. Well, we're near Miniland now.
We've still got an hour and 20 minutes to the fireworks.
Yeah. Because we was going to try and get on flight at the Sky Lion, but unfortunately it's currently an 18-minute wait.
Well, originally it said half hour, so we went down there and was queuing out the building.
Yeah.
Cinderella, you will come to the ball.
Yeah. But it's got very busy very quickly.
Yeah, it's because everyone's done this afternoon.
Yeah. I mean, like, to be fair, like you can book tickets after 1 PM. So if you didn't want to be here all day, you can book tickets after 1 PM.
Well, this looks good.
Yeah, no, because it wasn't dark the last time we rode. This was it last week.
isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I should also mention that I got told off on the spinning spiders because I tried to record it, didn't I?
Yeah.
I tried to record it and I got told off, so I had to put the camera away.
Grandma, look at the dog. It's Little Red Riding Hood. Are you there, Grandma? Please open the door.
Silly grandma.
Grandma, open the door. It's Little Red Riding Hood.
But a lot of rides seem to be closing and then opening again. So, because the first time we tried to ride haunted, like the haunted house, it broke down, didn't it? It broke down. Yeah.
Oh, they were really good. They just said explain it here on the breakdown.
Yeah, which we did, and then obviously that's how we got on. But like I said, like that was amazing. Like, and it's a must do if you're here. It was so good. Waiting for the fireworks now. It's very loud here. Very busy. We found like this little corner bit, so we just stood here. We just found it unfortunately. We just stand here. So we've been stood here since like 5:15.
Yeah, just filling out really quickly.
Yeah, like
Ready?
Yes?
it's
Let's do this. You remember something?
absolutely packed.
We got the key. Yo ho ho. We got the key. Yo ho ho. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you with me? Yeah. Christmas. We got the key. Yo ho ho. We got the key. Yo ho ho. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you with me?
Yes, it's absolutely packed. Hence why we're stood here.
It's filling up even more.
Yeah, and it is filling up even more. But they're trying to keep the gangways clear, like for obvious reasons. But
That was fantastic.
Yeah.
And raise the
it's very loud. You know, we found this place, so we're sitting here. So I shall catch up with you guys in a bit when the fireworks start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless. Screamed out loud.
So we're back at the car now. That was such an amazing firework display. You tried to put the lenses, didn't you, like the glasses over the lens so you could see like the special effects, but we don't know if it's worked or not.
I think some of it did, like from what I could see. But I don't know how well I didn't do the whole thing because in case it didn't work and then it just looked pants.
So we have tried it, so hopefully you guys can see the special effects, because like it was amazing. Like it was amazing from like start to finish. It was just phenomenal.
The ending was epic. It was huge.
It was such a big ending. I mean, I'm thinking maybe like Brackley Fireworks was going to be like that, but obviously they
could
like,
use some of the big ones.
Yeah, because like of the weather. But it is currently 7:13. 7:13. We've been at the car for quite a while now, but the traffic has been horrendous,
yeah,
and I mean it's been horrendous.
People, isn't there?
Yeah, and the M40's closed. Mainly to get home. Yippee! Hopefully it's open by the time we get there.
Detour.
But if it doesn't, then we've got.
I don't think it will be.
We can
Your
detour.
sister had the trouble earlier. It's been shut for hours now.
Yeah. So Cheryl left at about 2 o'clock, I think, and she got home about 5:30. I was like, what?
What was it? 2:30, 2:45 they left, wasn't it?
Yeah. I was like, what? She was like, yeah, like the M40's closed, and I'm like, oh. But never mind. But we're gonna get a Mackey's for tea, and we're gonna take it home and just chill. Because we're both at work tomorrow. But you know, like the fireworks was absolutely phenomenal. Like I was just in awe. I like how well the display was. But it's been such a fantastic day. The weather has been fantastic. It's really held off, like a lot better than last week. Obviously it was a washout last week. We was gonna. No, you couldn't deny it was a washout last week.
I wouldn't call it a washout because there was a lot of dry spell.
Well,
but when it rained, it really rained.
Yeah, because we was going to pop in the shop, then the queue was.
They were queuing outside to get in. So
it's like no. But in all fairness, by the time we queued there, this might have already gone. Yeah. but like, never mind. So anyway, guys, I am going to head off for today, and thank you guys for coming to Legoland with us.
Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I mean, the main reason for today was the fireworks rather than the rides.
Yeah, so
but we
like,
still did a fair few rides, didn't we?
No, we did still do a fair few rides. We wanted to do Flight of the Skyline again, but
it was ridiculous. Queue was just unbelievable.
It was an 80-minute wait.
Yeah.
And then
originally posted 30 minutes. We walked down, it was queuing out the door. Yeah,
it's like no. But like to the point people were like abandoning like the queue, weren't they? They were just like leaving.
Yeah, we weren't the only ones. So there was loads leaving before we'd even got there. We walked in and was like, yeah, not happening. Yeah, and then we thought, well, we'll do it after the fireworks. Then like you should just seen everyone flocking, and I mean like flocking down there. Right, and we're just like, no, we ain't gonna deal with that. So obviously then we came back to the car, but in you know, if we knew it was going to be like this, and then maybe we would have stayed in the park a bit longer. But obviously we didn't know it was going to be like this. So oh, you touched base with your mum when we come out and stuff, didn't you? So it wasn't like we were sat here doing nothing.
No, yeah. So I did have a little chat with mum. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye.